Kiddos, and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Aunty. And today, you know what, we are going to learn a special technique, that is the leather technique. We can make a leather bag. I've already drawn a light leather bag. I'll show you in dark. See, it is just a simple leather bag which I've drawn. See, this is the bag. You can make any pattern. My god, it went out. Any pattern of your bag. See, this is your bag. Okay, this is the handle. I don't want to darken it, but still I can show it to you. That is no issues at all. So this is the handle, children. A simple leather bag. Okay, now I'm going to show you the technique how you can make this leather bag like a real leather bag. This is the leather technique which I'm teaching you. And इधर से हम लोग ऐसे सिलाई टाइप्स करेंगे, ठीक है? So you know, for that what you're going to take is you're going to take your palette and see, can you see I've taken so much of glue, the white glue in my palette. If you all are having the Fevicol transparent glue, you all can use that also. This is the white glue, children, which I have taken. अभी मैं इसमें क्या करूँगी, अपना पोस्टर कलर है. I've chosen red because I did not have any other color which is that much. So I think so I showed you the Fevicol which I've taken, and now I'm taking ample amount of red. I'll just show it to you. See, equal proportions of Fevicol. You all can see this is the Fevicol and this is my red color which I have taken. I'm just mixing the Fevicol and my red color. See how gada gada it is. It has to be very gada gada, okay? It is more of Fevicol, or you can use half Fevicol and half poster color. Okay, and the thing is that after you finish doing this, you have to quickly wash your brush. Otherwise, Fevicol का जोड़ है, चिपक जाएगा brush. So I have taken my ganda wala brush. Can you see? Now the color of this will not change to pink because Fevicol is white. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होएगा. This is the red gada gada color. See, you can see the consistency of it. Yes. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take this gada gada color and just color our bag very thickly. Okay, can you see? Yeah, you can. Okay, you have to color it very thickly in the sense ऐसा पतला layer नहीं करने का. Let me clean my brush first. I'm cleaning my brush on the book itself. Now I'm just taking the gada gada color and just putting it off. I'll just do this, then we'll do the texture here. You can use any leather textures. I think so I have chosen the simple brick type texture. So we'll do the simple brick type texture on this. Okay, just see to that कि बाहर कोई खरखर ना हो, because as it is we are not going to give any bordering as such to it. See how thick it is. I hope you all are able to see. Even if it is shining, you all should be able to see. It is a very thick layer which I am putting. Okay, it is a mixture of Fevicol and your poster color, children. Okay, ये होने के बाद हमको क्या करने का पता है? Because it is not that evenly, you just have to dab your book like that so that it floats in, एकदम समतल हो जाए. Now you can take your toothpick. Okay, you take your toothpick. You can take any side and keep a cloth with you, a cloth ready with you. And now, after you have done this, you will take this toothpick. You can take the front side. Let me see which side. No, I don't think so. This side में बहुत पतला पतला होएगा. You just have to scrape your, and every time you scrape, you have to wipe it with the cloth. Okay, otherwise the design won't be visible. See, you just have to scrape, wipe it, 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 scrape, wipe it. Now we are making a brick technique. So एक इधर wipe. Every time you do something, wipe, wipe. That should be your technique. Wipe, 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 wipe. Okay, so you keep on wiping and you do this technique. You have to do it a little fast, children. You have to use your hands a little fast because this is such a thing that it might get dried very fast. See, now I'm putting in the center part very slowly and very accurately. Thick coat, no पतलू कोट. ऐसा कंजूसी नहीं करने का. एक 10 रुपए का फेविकॉल आता है, वो पूरा इतने एक ड्राइंग में लग जाएगा. कंजूसी किया तो इट विल नॉट हैपन द वे इट शुड हैपन. ओके, नाउ सी, slowly you're doing it. Because you know what will happen if you finish it. Either you can take white looks just very pretty, or if you are having golden color in your box, you know, some children might be having the bigger box where golden color is visible. If you use the golden color with Fevicol, it is just wow. Now since I am having the white glue with me, I cannot do one particular technique in this particular purse. That is, you know, after you complete, you again put a little Fevicol everywhere. So that gives a very different look to your drawing. Okay, now this center part I am going to do a different technique, and then again this part will be the brick technique. So I am doing the entire thing because my hands are faster, and then I will scrape it off, and then you will have to wait for some time for it to dry. तब तक मैं थोड़ा खाना वाना चढ़ा कर आ सकती हूँ. इतना टाइम लगेगा इसको ड्राई होने को. So we will do it in batches. And after doing this, I'm going to teach you the jeans technique also, and of course leather technique can be for the shoe too. So what we will do is we'll do the leather technique and the shoe technique, I mean to say the jeans technique, and we'll make one more item. I showed the entire thing. Now this is for the little bada bachcha. If the chota bachcha also wants to try, no issues at all, because I know chota bachchas are more intelligent. See, now I have done this part. Be very careful so that you don't keep any khar anywhere. Now what am I doing is, first I'm taking this part. Keep your cloth ready with you. One wipe. I'm doing it a little faster so that my things don't dry off. देखा, इधर मेरा थोड़ा सा बह गया ना, बाहर आ गया. Yes, when it happens, you have to correct it, because if you don't correct it, it will look bad. So you can redo it, that is no issue. So when you all are scraping, you all have to be careful that it should not come out. Now I need to redo it, so I'm going to take it from inside here. Inside. When I did outside, तो वो outside में थोड़ा चला गया, which was looking shabby. Okay, inside, inside, inside. Oh my god, inside. Now one. Keep on wiping every time. See, I am wiping. If you can see, there is a pause in between, and I keep on wiping every step of mine. That is the technique which has to be followed, children. If you don't wipe, it will not happen. And I cannot show you because I cannot take any risk. नहीं तो मेरा यार ये इतना सारा पेंट वेस्ट हो जाएगा, वेस्ट. अभी. Now if you all are having a fork, you all can give the stitches with the fork. If you all are not having the fork, you all can just give stitches like that. 1, 2. This is the stitch, you know, 3. Just a dash. Okay. This is the dash dash. Again, dash, dash. This is the center stitch part. If you feel you should put 2 stitches, like ऐसा होता है ना, 2 stitches ऐसे side by side, you can do that, but I don't feel. Now in the center part, I'm going to give a different technique. That means I'm going to use the pointed part and make small. No, I think so it is dried, so I'll have to redo it. That's what I said. If it is dried, it will not happen. It has to be wet enough for you all to scrape. So please do it in a way that उसको ड्राई मत होने देना, अगर ड्राई हो गया तो वो तुम्हारी टेक्निक नहीं दिखेगी बच्चा पार्टी. So I've just applied one more layer so that my scraping is visible. Now I am not at all confused with my colors, so I use a thick coat. Okay, you have to do the handle as well, but then we will wait for the handle. Uma, हैंडल में कुछ डिज़ाइन नहीं करेंगे, हम लोग को ये पीछे का ही पोर्शन लेने का. एक्चुअली तुम लोग को अभी शाइन दिखाई देगा, बट आई विल शो यू ऑल द एंगल्स. सी नाउ आई एम पुटिंग small ones. Can you see? This were the big checks, now these are the small checks. You can put any pattern, you know. You all can just Google leather purses and then you all can pick up any purse and you all can take the pattern from any purse you all wish. If you all do it white, it looks wonderful. If you all take yellow color also, it looks very nice. I have taken dark color because dark is the most difficult way to do it. See, now my purse is with a little different texture. Can you see this? I have used two different textures. One is the brick texture and one is simple sleeping lines. If you all want, you all can make checks too. That's your choice. So I have just given a leather purse a little different design. Now my next step is to do this handle. Now when I am doing this handle, this center part is different. So of course the leather purses will have the leather handles, a thick leather handle. You all have to do it very carefully. If you all want, you all can use a little patlu brush, because as it is we are not going to do any texture on it, correct? तो इतना मैं कर देती हूँ, फिर मैं देखती हूँ मेरे पास अगर कोई हो गया ना कल्याण, मैनू पता सी. You have to be very careful. See, I have dirtied this part, but you know, I know what is to be done to rectify it. So before posting, of course I'm going to rectify this. I'm not going to keep it like that. You know, I'm so conscious about all these things. I'm going to rectify it. चलो, मैं पतला वाला ब्रश लेती हूँ. इतने झाड़े वाले ब्रश से तो हैंडल तो नहीं बनेगा. So I've taken my short as a brush. Actually this brush is so hard that it is giving a very bad texture. Wait, let me take another one. हमारे साथ ही क्यों ऐसा होता है भैया? Okay, take good brushes and as soon as, now see, since it is drying, I'll have to keep a little time for showing you the rest of the part, how it will look. So what I'm going to do is, see, this part is a little khar which I'm completing it properly. You have to complete it. Make good amount of color in your palette. I think so for the first time in my entire videos I am using a palette, correct? मैंने कभी palette use ही नहीं की है. हाँ, ये बीच का खड़िया रहने देना. ये इधर भी लग गया. ओ माय गॉड, ये की हो रहा है? ओहो हो, ये मेरा हाथ लग गया. ये तो चला जाएगा इसका की करा. So you have to be careful, children, while you all are doing it. Please don't do it. Keep your hand in a helicopter mode and do it. You all understand the helicopter mode. Keep your hand up and don't dirty the outside part, because if you all dirty the outside part, it is not going to look good. So no white spots anyway, no khar anyway. So the second lesson which we are going to do with the leather will be the leather shoe, children. Okay, so I'm going to show you the jeans pattern. Actually you can start making swatches first, and after you make the swatches, you all can, किसी को कलर पाहिजे का, माझ्याकडे कलर आहे, खूप कलर आहे. So this is the leather texture. Now I need to give it a little time for it to dry. See, don't make it badly, make it very nicely. okay, your handle, everything. Take good amount of color but take a smaller brush. Don't make a mistake like me. कुछ नहीं होएगा, मेरे को कुछ नहीं होएगा. After it dries you all will understand the entire texture which has come, not before that. Okay, so I need to give some time. See, now I have made my leather purse. अभी हुआ नहीं है complete. देखो मेरा इतना कलर वेस्ट हुआ है, लेकिन मैंने क्या गम किया? नहीं किया ना. वैसे तुमको भी गम नहीं करने का, बल्कि उसको अच्छे से करने देने का. सी नाउ आई हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड अ लिटिल ईयर, आई हैव डिस्ट्रॉयड अ लिटिल ईयर, बट नो प्रॉब्लम. इधर तो शेडो आ जाएगा, सो आई एम नॉट वरीड. ये पार्ट्स विल ऑल बी रेक्टिफाइड वेरी सून. आई डू दैट फॉर माई सेल्फ. अभी ये जो लेदर पर्स है, इसको सूखने के लिए कम से कम नहीं 15, 20, 25. यू जस्ट ऑन योर फैन एंड लीव इट फॉर सम टाइम, जब तक मैं खाना चढ़ा कर आती हूँ. मेरा खाना चढ़ के हो जाएगा, देन आई विल कम बैक एंड आई विल टीच यू. आई विल कीप एवरीथिंग हियर. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉश योर ब्रशेस ऑन इमीडिएट बेसिस. नहीं तो फेविकॉल का नहीं, जिसके कौन सा एक आता था ऐड, लगाओ लगाओ और जोर लगाओ, टूटेगा नहीं. ये फेविकॉल का मजबूत जोड़ है. ऐसा वाला ऐड आता था ना, जिसकी निशानी है हाथी. ऐसा वाला एक ऐड आता था, मेरे को पता है. एनीवेज, do this because it's a new technique. I was wondering, what to teach. I don't feel like making videos क्योंकि मुझे समझ में ही नहीं आता मैं और क्या सिखाऊं. पर ऐसा नहीं है, मेरे पास बहुत कुछ है सिखाने को, लेकिन आई एम फीलिंग अ लिटिल कंटाला बिकॉज कैनवस एंड सिजर्स में अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आ रहा ना. तुम लोग डाल रहे नहीं हो ना, इसलिए. जब तुम लोग बहुत डालते ना तो मेरे को और बनाने का मन करता है, जब तुम लोग कम डालते हो मेरे को बनाने का मन नहीं करता. ओके, सो लेट्स वेट फॉर इट टू ड्राई फॉर सम टाइम एंड देन आई विल कम बैक टू यू. Okay children, my purse is still not dried, but still I am showing you what is to be done. We just have to make a little bit of shadows. So for the shadows, what can be done is either you can take your sketch pen. Okay, you take your sketch pen और ये बैग जहाँ पर है उसके इस तरफ, मतलब इधर से लेके इधर तक और इधर से लेके इधर तक एक शेडो इधर बनाना है. एक शेडो कीप योर हैंड इन द हेलीकॉप्टर मोड, नहीं तो फिर वो सब पचका हो जाएगा. ऐसे करके ऐसे, और फिर ये अभी गिल्ला था, देखा ये सब आ गया इसके ऊपर. सी इफ इट इज़ वेट, आई नो इट इज़ वेट, बट देन आई डोंट हैव सो मच ऑफ सबर. आई हैव टू वाइंड इट अप, सो आई एम डूइंग इट. इसके बाद यू आर टेकिंग योर ग्रे कलर बिकॉज वी आर मेकिंग द सिल्वर बटन, सो यू जस्ट हैव टू पुट अ लिटिल ग्रे दिस साइड. ओके, कीप योर हैंड इन द हेलीकॉप्टर मोड, put a little gray this side. Okay, बाकी का तुम white छोड़ दो तो वो white buttons type या silver button ऐसा लगेगा. Now you take your black color children, your black oil pastel. Just put one line of black below your purse. Okay. See, अभी जो इधर खराब हुआ था वो rectify हो गया. Okay. ये हमने एक black line डाल दी, इसको अच्छे से चिंबुड़ के black करना है. Okay. After that you take your grey color and इसको सिर्फ फैला देना. So this is your shadow. Okay. Now if you want to give what do you call मतलब a shiny look below, you can always put a little red below, but it's okay. We are just doing this shadow so that it looks a little more realistic. ओके, ये शेडो हमने नीचे बना दिया. शेडो को बहुत बड़ा मत बनाना और बहुत छोटा भी मत बनाना. अभी ये पर्स के इधर के तरफ नहीं, बट इधर की तरफ येस यू कैन पुट अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ शेडो इफ़ यू ऑल विश. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी एट ऑल. और ऊपर अगर तुमको ऐसे, तो हमारा पर्स का सब जो काला पार्ट है वो इधर आ जाएगा, ख़त्म. सो यू जस्ट कैन पुट अ लिटिल ब्लैक मार्किंग के इधर जिपर है. एंड इफ यू ऑल वांट इधर कुछ लटका सकते हो ऐसे फूमड़े पीमड़े, बट आई डोंट वांट टू डू दैट. नाउ सी, लिटिल ईयर इधर थोड़ा सा गिल्ला है, but I'm sure after I post you all will understand. Should I raise it a bit? If I raise it a bit, you all will be able to see the textures more clearly. Okay, so this is the leather purse texture. Please do make it and post it on Canvas and Scissors. It's a very simple thing. So if you all have to make a Gada paint and do the things like that. Chalo then, bye. See you all again with the next texture which I'll be teaching you all. Bye bye.